So click on schedule and going to name this meeting academic affairs issues. So I'm going to conduct a meeting on this topic, which is academic affair issues, and I'm planning to conduct this meeting on, let us say, 10th of April, somewhere around 11 a.m. And in the free version I can keep this time to 30 only. I can keep it 40, you can see, but there is no option to keep it 40, so I'll stick to 30th minute meeting. And I do not want it to recur, I just want to conduct this meeting only once, so I'll keep this unchecked. If you want to repeat this meeting on every day or every week, so you can keep this checked and you can do the additional setting you are interested in. Make sure you are using India time zone or Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi time zone, which is plus 5:30. Okay, because it will affect the notification when appears on your device. Now there are two options. You can generate meeting ID automatically for the system for the meeting, or you can just simply click the personal meeting ID which has been assigned or linked to your account. So I prefer to keep this one. Now I want this meeting to be password protected so that only authorized person can join this. So I can check this and I can give it any password which I prefer, okay, and which is easy to type for someone else as well. So you can see this is a very simple password to remember. Now I prefer to keep these two on, host video on and participant video on. By default, when we start this very first time, it will be off, so make sure these two are on, so that the moment you will join the meeting, you'll be able to speak and people will be able to see you. In the audio section, make sure this computer audio is checked, and therefore whatever will speak, the laptop will record through the microphone. So make sure this is active. We are not going to use this telephone, and because that is a paid thing, so I'm not going to keep this on. I'll just keep this computer audio. And I want to save this in Google Calendar, so I'll simply more option. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing. Keep this checked, automatically record meeting on the local computer. So that means whenever the meeting will start, the recording will start automatically without any further information provided by you. So if this is checked, you do not need to worry about recording manually. And make sure these two are checked as well, because when this is checked, it simply means although the host has not joined the meeting, the participant will be able to join. So this is a good option to keep this checked. Click on save, and now the meeting will be saved to your Google Calendar, and I'm going to save this in this account. Allow access. You'll get this one. Click save, and now you can see the meeting that I have set from 11 a.m. that is appearing here now. Okay, this is the previous meeting. If you remember that one I deleted, so I can still select this and delete this from the calendar as well, because this is no longer scheduled here. So we have one meeting at 11 a.m. Now